Hello everyone and welcome back to the Ops Wizard. Today we are diving into the amazing journey of Nykaa, a brand that has changed the beauty retail scene in India. We'll see how Nykaa used digital technology and a focus on customers to become a household name. Stick around for key takeaways that you can apply to your own business. Nykaa was founded in 2012 by Falguni Nair, a former investment banker who wanted to transform beauty shopping in India. She noticed that people needed a reliable place to buy a wide range of genuine beauty products, including both international and Indian brands. Her goal was to make it easy and trustworthy for everyone to shop for beauty products. The strategies they used: first, selling both online and offline. Nykaa started as a website offering a huge selection of beauty products like skincare, makeup, and hair care. This allowed people all over India, even in small towns, to shop conveniently for the top brands. Knowing that many customers like to try products before buying, Nykaa opened physical stores called Nykaa Lux and Nykaa On Red. Here, customers could test products and get personalized advice. Second, creating helpful content. Nykaa invested heavily in creating tutorials, product reviews, and beauty tips on their website and app. They also started the Nykaa Network, a community where users can ask questions and share advice. By partnering with beauty influencers and celebrities, Nykaa expanded their reach and built trust with customers through product reviews and tutorials. Third, offering a wide range of products. Nykaa offers over 2,500 brands, including international names like MAC and Huda Beauty, as well as Indian brands catering to all budgets and preferences. They secured exclusive rights to sell certain international brands in India, making them stand out from competitors. Fourth, launching their own products. Nykaa Cosmetics and Nykaa Naturals. By creating their own line of products, Nykaa provided quality items at good prices and increased their profits. Fifth, personalized shopping experience. Nykaa uses customer browsing and purchase history to offer personalized product recommendation and special offers. The Nykaa Privy program rewards loyal customers with benefits like early access to sales, special discounts, and birthday gifts, encouraging them to shop more. Sixth, embracing technology. The Nykaa app makes shopping easy with features like virtual try-ons using augmented reality so customers can see how a product looks on them without trying it physically. They use AI for inventory management to keep popular products in stock and chatbot to assist customers quickly. Seventh, building trust. In a market where fake products are common, Nykaa's promise of authentic products built strong trust with customers. Offering easy returns and responsive support made customers feel confident shopping with them. Results achieved: Nykaa became India's leading beauty retailer with millions of users and a strong online and offline presence. Consistent growth each year led to a successful IPO in 2021, making Falguni Nair one of the India's richest self-made women. Nykaa is now a trusted name for beauty and wellness across the country. So what we can learn from Nykaa's success? First, combine online and offline shopping. By offering both, you meet customers wherever they prefer to shop. Second, provide valuable content. Sharing helpful tutorials and tips educate customers and build a loyal community. Third, offer variety. Having a wide variety of products, including exclusive and your own brand, meets different customer needs and boosts profits. Fourth, personalize the experience. Use customer data to offer tailored recommendation and rewards, keeping customers engaged. Fifth, use technology wisely. Investing in apps, AI, and new tech improves the shopping experience and makes your business run smoother. Six, build trust. Guaranteeing authentic products and offering excellent service fosters trust and long-term loyalty. Nykaa's journey shows how digital innovation and focus on customers can build a successful retail brand. By understanding the market and adapting continuously, they have set a new standard in the beauty industry. Think about how you can apply these strategies to your own business. What steps can you take to improve customer experience and use technology effectively? Share your ideas in the comment below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the Off Wizard for more real life retail success stories. See you next time. Thank you everyone.